Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video today, I wanted to show you my quick way how I get ready on the daily, my no makeup look. And first it starts off by cleansing my skin with this toner by e.l.f. I'm obsessed with not spending a ton of money on products, so the fact that in this video today, these products I'm going to be showing you guys are under $10. And I love using toner because it helps balance the pH level in my skin and also removes traces of dirt and makeup, tightens my pores, and additional hydration. So a toner is a must-have along with hydration for our skin. So I love using this e.l.f. face cream. It's so good, also inexpensive, under $10. It provides hydration, it provides protection, as face cream is a shield for your skin. You can wear it underneath makeup as well. It just provides nourishment. So your skin goes through a lot every day, from exposure to harsh elements to the wear and tear of everyday life. So face creams are something that I definitely do not skip out on. Doesn't matter how much time I have or lack of time I have, I always make sure to put a face cream on. I also use this fan that I got from Temu. It was like $2 and it just helps speed up making my face dry so I am ready to apply some makeup. Okay guys, so here's what I do for my no makeup look. So first I start by this Maybelline Magic Eraser. Concealer is also under $10. It's super amazing. It's like a sponge. Goes on so flawlessly. You can blend it in with your fingers. And this concealer is essential for covering up imperfections like dark circles, blemishes, any redness, and just creates a more even complexion. It really brightens up underneath my eyes because I have really tired dark eye circles. And oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. So I don't know why I'm using my hand when I could totally have just used that fan. So anyways, I followed up by this Fake Awake eyeliner. This is in the color Nude, and this just goes on my waterline, which makes me look way more awake. So when I'm rushing to get out the door and I want to do a no makeup look, I definitely reach for this. It just glides onto your waterline and makes you look that much more awake. Next up, my favorite foundation when I'm in a rush is this Covergirl Simply Ageless foundation. You can apply this with your fingers, especially when you're in a rush. It's just even more easy to use. It reduces wrinkles, you guys. It hides dark circles. It improves your tone. It also provides a ton of hydration. And did I mention it's cruelty-free? So you can not go wrong with this. It was also like $15, you guys. So definitely a must-have foundation. Now, I can never leave the house without having my lips done, so I love these Kylie Jenner lip kits. They come with a lip pencil and a matte lipstick, so I love that. It also takes the guessing work out for you, so you don't have to pick a lip liner and a lip gloss and hope it matches. So that's why I really love her brand. I've noticed it stays on all day, even when I'm eating or drinking, so I highly recommend these lip kits by Kylie. Collected quite a few. I just find them really easy to apply, and like I said, they just blend well so nicely together, so you have gorgeous lips throughout the day. This one here is in the shade 808. Another great product when you're in a hurry is this triple bronzer highlighter blush combo from Amazon. This was under $15. I love that the shades are already picked out and look well together. So here I am just applying it to the contour of my nose, my forehead, my cheeks, and also underneath my chin. It blends in super fast, which is amazing when you're in a hurry and just want to get out the door. I also apply some just above my eyelids. No need to apply any eyeshadow. The blush is hella cute and just blends in so nicely. It's also buildable, so if you feel like you didn't put enough blush on, you can feel free to add some more. It just gives you that super cute pink rosy glow. Followed up with this super sheer highlighter. It brings such a shimmer to all the places on your face that you want to light up and bring light to. So I love blending this all in, and I can't say enough good things about this pack from Amazon. Again, all three of these for under $15. I swear this is not sponsored by Amazon. I just really love this product. To finish off my no makeup look, I love this Panarama Mascara by L'Oreal. I believe Kylie Jenner is actually the face of this brand, but it just goes on so seamlessly. This definitely measures up to some of my high-end mascaras that cost me an arm and a leg. I also love finishing off my look with this brow pencil from Temu. This was $2, you guys. It's just a brow flick pencil, and it just fills in all those sparse hairs. And that is it for my no makeup look, you guys. It is simple. It takes me like 2 minutes to get out the door, so I highly recommend these affordable products. Definitely stay tuned for some future videos. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a minute. I am just remodeling my YouTube studio at home, so definitely check out some of my older videos. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys on my next one. Follow me for more beauty tips and tricks and tutorials. Love you guys. Bye.